Oh. Evan's throwing the coin. You throwing the coin? Whoa. It goes right in there. Yeah? Here, I have a couple more for you. Whoa. It just went right in the hole. Careful. Whoa. Whoa. That's it?
Yeah.
All gone?
Yeah.
Whoa, you threw all your money in there. That's crazy. Oh no. Evan. Oh, you want to walk? We can take the elevator. Yeah? Okay, let's go take the elevator. Let's go this way, Sandra. Excuse me. Okay. Come here. Yeah? See another ship? Speedboat? Okay. Hey Evan, are you enjoying the sun? What do you think about the sun? So nice, right? Evan's taking a little lunch break. What do you think about the city? Good, right? Confusing? Yeah? Want some juice? Suling? Alright. Evan's taking a rest. What's in there? What's in there? Let's go check it out. All right. Ooh, what's in there? I have a feeling it's closed.
You actually designed the version of you mind, which is the tallest building in the world now. Actually looks very, very similar. But this type of construction is reminiscent of our first tallest building in Chicago. We'll see further down the river, the Willis Tower, or Sears Tower is from there. And in that way, it's similar because we think about, I don't know, Sears Tower is 9 skyscrapers that are kind of...
Somebody has to close my seat.
So you want French fries and what else?
I want French fries and chicken nuggets
Okay.
and hamburger and cheeseburger
Because there's cider. Olive.
and some
Thanks, guys. Beautiful Trump Tower. Beautiful view. Celebrating Mommy's birthday.
and fries.
You are reading it?
Yeah. And also just cheeseburger, water, cheeseburger, water. He's dead now. He's dead. Look, he's dead.
We do school bus.
That's the life.
drove there. He died. He's dead.
What
It's
happened?
dead now. It's dead now.
What happened to your what?
It's
Why
dead
did you
now.
why did you rip it apart?
Because it's not nice.
Because he's fighting me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Just hold it like that.
It's really young.
This one's for you.
That's one.
Oh, but you're supposed to put in your fingers between your thumb and your index finger.
No.
Let me see this pudding. I can't believe you already got it. Wow! That is adorable!
Ellie Bells, that's Miss Leanne's
Hey Evan,
present.
Mommy got a gift.
I will
It's her
open.
birthday.
You want to
Get
open it?
presents.
You want to open it? A card. Thank you.